Is it the right time to buy or sell Arista Networks stock? Today, we're going to take a deep dive into Arista Networks and provide you with a more detailed analysis. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, February 12, 2024. To stay informed about our latest analysis, be sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell. We don't want you to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Gain access to the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please remember that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since October 31, 2023, our system has identified Arista Networks as a promising investment opportunity with a score of 1.95, making it a buy candidate. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance over this period. If you had followed our analysis, you would have seen an impressive gain of 40.18% since we initially recommended Arista Networks as a buy candidate 71 days ago. This means an average return of 0.57% per day since it was listed as a buy candidate. The stock is currently in a strong upward trend in the short term, which presents a potential selling opportunity for short-term traders. We can expect the stock to react and move back towards the lower part of the trend. However, if the stock breaks above the top trend line at $283.58, it would indicate a stronger rate of rising. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential for a 32.07% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between 21.85% and 33.34%. The 12-month trend suggests a 70.43% change over the next year, with a potential return between 23.75% and 71.66%. This means that the stock price could range from $347.60 to $482.17 after a year. In our latest update on Arista Networks, we have some important news to share. The stock of Arista Networks Inc. has been downgraded from a strong buy candidate to a buy candidate after Monday's trading session. On the last day, which was Monday, the 12th of February 2024, the stock price of Arista Networks Inc. experienced a decline of -0.556%. It dropped from $282.45 to $280.88. Throughout the trading day, the stock's value fluctuated by 4.45%, with a low of $280.18 and a high of $292.66. Looking at the past 10 days, the price has risen in 6 of them and has increased by 4.19% over the past 2 weeks. It's worth noting that the trading volume increased by 6 million shares on the last day, despite the falling prices. This could potentially be an early warning sign, indicating a slightly increased risk over the next couple of days. To put it into perspective, approximately $2.41 billion worth of Arista Networks Inc. shares were bought and sold, totaling 9 million shares. If we consider the past 52 weeks, the highest price for the stock was $292.66, while the lowest price was $130.08. Currently, the stock is 4.03% below the 52-week high, which amounts to $11.78. Furthermore, it's also 47.65% below the all-time high, which was reached on November 9, 2021, when the price peaked at $536.54. Analyst ratings. On Monday, February 12, 2024, Morgan Stanley gave ANET an overweight grade with a hold action. Wells Fargo also gave ANET an overweight grade with a hold action on Monday, February 12, 2024. JMP Securities reported an market outperform grade for ANET with a hold action on Monday, February 12, 2024. Piper Sandler gave ANET a neutral grade with a hold action on Monday, February 12, 2024. On Tuesday, October 31, 2023, Needham gave ANET an overweight grade with a hold action. Analysts have given Arista Networks stock a general rating of strong buy. The PE ratio and price to book are also rated as strong buy. Additionally, the stock receives an strong buy rating for return on investment. Today, let's take a closer look at the signals for Arista Networks. Currently, there are mixed signals in the stock. On Friday, February 9, 2024, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point, resulting in a decline of -0.556%. It is expected to fall further until a new bottom pivot is found. Additionally, there is a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. Yesterday, volume rose on falling prices, which could be seen as an early warning. Therefore, it is advised to closely monitor the stock's performance. On a positive note, the Arista Networks Inc. stock holds by signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast. Moreover, the short-term average is currently above the long-term average, supporting a general buy signal. In case of corrections downward, the stock is expected to find support at $273.89 and $254.62. However, a breakdown below any of these levels will issue sell signals. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. The Moving Average Convergence Divergence is indicating a sell signal. Pivots are showing a sell signal from 2 days ago. Bollinger Bands have given a buy signal 2 days ago. The short-term moving average is indicating a buy signal from 4 days ago. Now let's take a look at the 12-month chart. The short moving average is showing a buy signal from 26 days ago. The long-term moving average is indicating a buy signal from 72 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages is giving a buy signal from 178 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us to discover more signals. Today, let's talk about support, risk, and stop-loss for Arista Networks. Arista Networks Inc. has an interesting support level at $273.10, which could present a buying opportunity. When a support level is tested, we often see an upward reaction in the stock price. So keep an eye on this level. Now, let's discuss the risk involved. Arista Networks has average movements throughout the day, indicating a medium level of risk. However, with good trading volume, the overall risk is manageable. Looking at the recent performance, the stock moved $12.48 between its highest and lowest points in the last day, which is equivalent to a 4.45% change. This shows moderate volatility in the short term. Over the past week, the average daily volatility has been around 3.32%. Before we explore the potential trading levels for Arista Networks, let's start by understanding some key fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This important ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A high PE ratio may indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors anticipate significant growth in the future. Moving on, the upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled for February 12, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates currently stand at $1.71. It's important to monitor these figures as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, we'll be discussing potential day trading levels for Arista Networks. If the stock is experiencing an upward trend, the first resistance level to watch out for is at $282.45. It's advisable to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position if you don't already own any shares. However, if you're already holding the stock, it could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, Arista Networks encounters its first support level at $273.10. If this support level holds, it might present a good entry point for traders, with the anticipation of a rebound. According to multiple analyst sources, Arista Networks has a strong buy rating. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. On February 7, 2024, McCool John F. sold 420 shares of non-qualified stock option, right to buy. On February 7, 2024, McCool John F. bought 420 shares of common stock. On February 7, 2024, McCool John F. sold 420 shares of common stock. On February 1, 2024, Taxi Mark sold 420 shares of non-qualified stock option, right to buy. On February 1, 2024, Taxi Mark sold 208 shares of non-qualified stock option, right to buy. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the calculated insider power is negative with a ratio of -69.777. Overall, insiders have purchased 44,092 shares and sold 251,413 shares in the last 100 trades. For this stock, we recommend setting the stop loss at $272.65, which represents a decrease of 2.93%. This particular stock tends to have moderate daily movements, meaning it carries a medium level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal from a pivot top that was identified just 1 day ago. Is Arista Networks stock a good buy? Based on our analysis, Arista Networks Inc. stock shows positive short-term signals and a general good trend. We believe there is a buying opportunity at the current level. Although there are some small weaknesses in the technical picture, we have downgraded our analysis conclusion from a strong buy to a buy candidate. Furthermore, after analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. Looking ahead to Tuesday, February 13th, we expect Arista Networks to open up $3.69 and start trading at $284.57. Before we delve into today's topic, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. To make informed decisions, it is strongly recommended that you consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing the information provided, you acknowledge and assume responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. In this video, we'll be discussing our current view on a particular stock. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so make sure to comment below and share your opinion. What target do you have in mind for this stock? Let us know. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more trading insights. We're here to help you succeed in your trading journey. Wishing you a successful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.